Google Analytics 4 includes 8 new metrics that didn't exist before, and if you keep an eye on them, you'll see that they can play a very important role in your business growth. Let's take a look at these metrics. Google Analytics 4 introduced a new metric called Active Users, which counts users who have engaged with your website across both desktop and mobile experiences. This metric will be the default user field in most standard reports. In contrast, the previous Universal Analytics platform counted all sessions for all users, which could result in significantly higher user counts, especially for those who frequently return to the website. Google Analytics 4 also added a few new metrics related to engagement. One of them is engagement rate, which is the percentage of engaged sessions. Engaged sessions are counted when they last longer than 10 seconds, have a conversion event, have at least 2 page views or screen views. Another new metric is average engagement time, which is calculated by adding up the total time users spend engaging with your content and dividing it by the number of active users. It provides insights into user behavior on your web page. However, the average engagement time can vary depending on your business type, and it is recommended to analyze it within different timeframes to get a better understanding of user behavior. If you notice a decrease in engagement time, it can indicate areas of your web page that require improvement. One more, the newly included lifetime value metric brings a significant benefit to all e-commerce users out there. The lifetime value metrics provide the value of specific users and customers based on their performance over their lifetime. If you navigate to the retention reports in GA4, the lifetime value is going to provide you with the average lifetime value of one website user. By analyzing the User Lifetime Exploration Report, you can filter users by, for example, source to compare channels attracting the most valuable users to your website. Lifetime value will also help you determine which sources are driving the most valuable traffic to your website. Google Analytics 4 also includes 2 additional conversion rate metrics. The user conversion rate and session conversion rate offer insights into conversion events. The user conversion rate represents the percentage of users who triggered a conversion event, while the session conversion rate indicates the percentage of sessions in which a conversion event was triggered. Previously, tracking users who scrolled down on a landing page on your website was difficult. Luckily, Google Analytics 4 includes the Scrolled Users metric, which reports the number of people who scrolled 90% of a page on your website. This helps to identify engaging pages and those that might need improvement. Last but not least on our list are predictive metrics. These metrics predict users who are most likely to take action in the upcoming period. Examples include likely 7-day purchasers, which include people who are most likely to make a purchase in the next 7 days. Google Analytics 4 can also forecast users who are predicted to generate the most revenue, as well as users who are unlikely to visit your web page in the near future. These predictive metrics seem very exciting. However, at the current moment, predictive metrics are only available in the Audience Builder and Exploration reports. There are even more new metrics introduced in Google Analytics 4, but I believe that these 8 metrics are the ones that play a truly important role in optimizing online businesses. If you constantly analyze these metrics, they can help you to achieve better results and, hopefully, skyrocket your sales.